how to fix online status unknown on your PS5. So here's what you need to do. First, go to your settings. From within the settings, select network. And the first thing that I suggest doing is pressing on view service status. Right here it's going to display if there are any issues with the PlayStation services. If you see anything in red here, then it means that it's not coming from your end. But if everything is green like it is for me, then you will need to go into settings, and here you will click on setup internet connection. And once you select setup internet connection, find your Wi-Fi and you want to press this button here. So it's going to be this button with the 3 lines. Click on it, and then you will need to select advanced settings here. So click on advanced settings, and you will change the DNS settings from automatic to manual, and make sure you type this. For the primary DNS it's going to be 1.1.1.1, and for the secondary DNS it's going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards you will click on OK here. It's going to check and verify the settings, and if everything is good, this should resolve the unknown status error on PS5. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.